There's another good one right over here. Not like super great, but
no, I don't sit high enough. Get it?
yeah, I got it. As soon as they hit the water. Really, some good ones right in here. There's a lot of fish right here. There's a whole school of carp and a really good smallie in it. There's another good ass smallie over here. Cast right over here by this rock.
That one jump on there.
Hate when I'm more accurate than people, and I have to catch them.
Little bitty guy.
Motherfucker. God damn it. Oh, fuck. You got one too?
Yeah, he just came off.
Damn. This motherfucker fucking ate it. He got a dragonfly in his mouth too. A couple of them.
No?
Oh. Couple good smallies right here. I got one of them. There's some big ones though.
That's a good one.
This one's a big one. They're all following it. They're all cast over here. There's like 10 of them. I'm not kidding. Big ones. You got one too?
Nah, I'm not supposed to let out one.
Pierce, this is a big. Like, you gotta get on the board. Me and Pierce have both caught a good one.
So have I.
This is not a bad one.
Mine don't count though.
Say what?
I forgot mine don't count though.
Why?
I caught that one by the wall.
Oh, well, I didn't get to see that in person. I didn't know. I forget. I forgot about that.
You know,
Yes, sir. Dude, there's so many fish right. Oh boy.
Is that a fish?
Yeah. Spitting out minnows left and right.
What? Another bag.
I mean, it's decent. It's not nothing overly special, but oh boy.
Good one?
Yeah.
I think this is aiming on you.
That's a good one.
Come on, TJ, don't fuck this up. Get it in. Atta baby.
You could just see him fighting it whole day.
That's a nice one right there. I got you on there, TJ.
You can see it?
Yeah. No, I can't see the screen, but I made sure it was aimed at you. How do you see the screen? Press the button?
No. Well, you could tap the back if you wanted, yeah. It might
Yeah,
work.
you're in there. They got the whole thing. That's a
Oh,
good
yeah.
size one.